Here's a great deal on a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this truck stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated and ventilated seats, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a bed liner, and power seats. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including brake assist, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.